How to post live photo on Instagram story. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can post live photos on your Instagram stories account. There's actually a lot of option for you to be able to do this method, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you the most convenient or the very basic um, process or steps for you to be able to do this. So first is of course open up your Instagram account and make sure that you're logged in. Access your story. And from here, you will have an option to use your camera or to use the specific photo which was already built in as a live photo. Now, the first method of doing this is, say for example, you would like to use your camera. Now, from here, all you have to do is to switch it into a boomerang below. And then once you selected boomerang, you just have to take a picture and snap it out. And then from there, you have yourself a live photo. Other thing that you can do is to locate the specific photo where that photo is already been built in or made as a live photo directly from your phone camera, and just simply post it. And that's basically it. That's how you post live photos on Instagram story.